How to register and create account with Bank of America online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself an account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. At the top search bar, type in Bank of America. You will see its official website. Tap open it. Then tap on login on your top right. Then you will see enroll at the bottom. Tap onto it. Now, in order to get started, simply type in your card or account number. Once you have done that, type in your social security number or your SSN and just tap on continue. In case you don't have a SSN or TIN number, just tap on the don't have option and you can get started with this. And follow the on-screen prompt to creating yourself an account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.